Welcome guys to our channel Learn It. Today we are going to discuss 15 MCQs on Indian geography. Let's start. Question number 1. The Himalayas are approximately 10 km long. The answer is 2400. Himalaya is 2400 km long. The rotating monsoon gives rainfall to answer C. Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu have two rainy seasons because of monsoon and rotating monsoon. Which one of the following is the wettest place of India? The answer is Mawsynram. Mawsynram considered to be wettest place of India, located in Meghalaya state. The Deccan Tract was formed by the Cretaceous volcanicity. Deccan Tract is located southwest part of India. The longest beach of India is situated at Chennai. Marina Beach is considered to be longest beach of India. What is the name given to foothill zone of Himalayas? That is known as Shivalik. In which range is the Nathula Pass is situated? In Himalayan range, Nathula Pass is located in Sikkim and Tibet. It is the boundary pass. The highest peak of South India is Annamudi. The height of Annamudi is 2695 meters. The highest peak of India is Kanchenjunga. Kanchenjunga is considered to be highest peak of India. Where McMahon Line is located? McMahon Line is located in between India and Tibet. How many states are there in India 2020? Answer A. 28. After the removal of Article 370, Jammu and Kashmir is no longer state. It is Union Territory. So India has 28 states. Number of neighboring countries of India. India has 9 countries. India shares 7 land borders with neighbors and 2 sea borders with Sri Lanka and Maldives. Number of Union Territories of India, that is 8. Please remember the name. 1. Andaman Nicobar. 2. Chandigarh. 3. National Capital Delhi. 4. Dadra Nagar Haveli, Daman and Diu. 5. Pondicherry. 6. Lakshadweep. 7. Ladakh. 8. Jammu and Kashmir. Where is Pengongso Lake located? Pengongso Lake is in between India and China. In recent, India and Chinese troops are fight in southern part of Pengongso. Where is Namda National Park is located? Namda National Park is located in Arunachal Pradesh. It is famous for tiger reserve. At last, we request to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for the upcoming videos. Thank you.